Hello and welcome to the 16th tutorial in the jQuery basic series, and we'll be looking at removing elements. This tutorial will be using the source code from part 2 of the series. If you haven't done it or if you don't have it anymore, don't worry, there'll be a link in the description to the source code, or you can implement it directly into your own project. So like I said, this tutorial will cover removing existing HTML elements and content. There's two methods we'll be looking at. There's the remove method, which removes the selected element, and it's child elements, and empty, which just removes the child elements from the selected element. So let's just go ahead and open up our files in a text editor. We're going to need the HTML file and also the JavaScript file, which contains the ready function. If you just go to your HTML file first, it's going to add a button. Well, when we click the button, we will either do remove or empty, and we're going to put remove. We're going to put an ID of remove. Just going to copy and paste this and just change the text to empty and change the ID to empty as well. And then we're going to put a div tag, and inside here we're going to have an ID of div1, and inside here we're going to say div hello world, and we're going to have another div, and we're going to put in here I am Batman. And what we're going to do is go to our JavaScript file, put dollar, selector will be the button, so it will be hash remove dot click. I'm going to do dollar. The ID of div1, so hash div1, and to do the remove, you just do dot remove bracket bracket semicolon, and we can just copy and paste this for the empty function. So change this to empty, and also change this to empty as well. So now we are ready to run. We just run this in our web browser. I'm just going to right click, inspect element. So what we have is this div tag, and there's two div tags inside. So if we click remove, it removes the selected element, which was the div with ID of div1, and its elements inside, so it's child elements. But if we just refresh and we click the empty button, it just removes the child element. So perhaps you still want the parent element, you want to be manipulating that in some way, but that's it for this tutorial. It showed you how to remove elements. In the next tutorial, we're going to show you how to change CSS classes and manipulate CSS classes within jQuery. If you have any questions, feel free to message us at support@sonarsystem.co.uk. The email will be in the description. You can comment on this video or directly message us via YouTube. Also, all the required links for source code will also be in the description. And as usual, thanks for watching and have a nice day.